Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to fix grammatical mistakes with the help of ChatGPT. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to fix grammatical mistakes with the help of ChatGPT. Maybe because you do a lot of grammatical mistakes, punctuation mistakes, and different mistakes when you're writing a paragraph, and you find it really hard to fix all these things. So you want a solution to that, and you heard a lot about the ChatGPT, so you want to give it a try. Or it could be any other reason for you to go on a ChatGPT to fix grammatical mistakes. So whatever the reason it could be for you, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. So if you want to go to a ChatGPT, first you have to go to a browser. I'm going with a Google Chrome, but you can choose any browser of your choice. You just have to simply tap onto the icon of the browser and it will open. Once the browser get open, you will see this interface. If you're using any other browser than Google Chrome, then your interface might be different, but you will have this search bar. So in this search bar, you would just have to simply tap on it, and then you have to search for ChatGPT by typing its name. And once the results appear, you just have to simply go for it. And there you will find this first link which says OpenAI. OpenAI is actually the manufacturing company of the ChatGPT, or you could say it's the same thing for ChatGPT. So simply tap onto that open, and then you will get into this link. Once you get here, first you will read the title of OpenAI, which is as same as ChatGPT. Under it, we have this option which says try ChatGPT. So you just have to simply tap onto that option, and then you will land onto the page of ChatGPT where you could fix your problems. So here you can see the ChatGPT page just got here. Now on the search bar, what you have to do is that you have to paste that paragraph that you have written with the grammatical mistakes. So here you just have to simply paste it and then enter it. It will automatically correct it. But if you want to give it a command like do all the grammatical mistakes, clear the grammatical mistake, clear all the punctuation mistakes, or if you want to give some commands like increase its word length or decrease its word length, or if you want to say something like make this one's genre like you're talking with someone, or make it more better, so you can write it. But otherwise, if you don't give any command, you just paste that paragraph that you want to make a better, just simply paste it and then simply enter it, and after that it will do its work on its own. Otherwise, if you want to give any kind of commands, then you can do that, like here I'm giving it make it better and make its length up to 200 words. After that, simply click here. It will just take a while, and then it will start rewriting the paragraph that you have written. But this time it doesn't have any grammatical mistakes or any other mistakes. It's perfect, and you can also copy it, you can read it, and you can paste it wherever you want to paste it. So if you want to copy it, you just have to simply tap on it and then it will copy it. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can fix grammatical mistakes with the help of ChatGPT. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.